Now the story you'll only see here on WPBF 25 News. A Wellington lawyer accused of stealing millions of dollars from clients, now disbarred by the Florida Supreme Court. One of his victims, a man named Chris George, once known as a pill mill kingpin for running the largest illegal prescription drug operation in the whole country. Our investigative reporter Terry Parker first broke the story, and tonight she has this exclusive update, including reaction from George. Terry?
Chris George says he trusted Jeffrey Siskin with his last $2 million, the only money he had left after serving 11 years in prison for running those pill mills. Instead of investing it, investigators say Siskin blew it on luxury expenses. Now, after years of legal battle, the Florida Supreme Court has ruled against Siskin, permanently disbarring him. When I first caught up with Siskin in a courthouse hallway, I asked him point blank, did he do it?
They were after me for every little thing I did.
Chris George knows what it's like to be punished for breaking the law. He and his twin brother Jeff once ran the largest prescription drug network in the country, raking in millions before the FBI shut them down. After serving his time, George wanted to rebuild his life, but he says the lawyer he hired to help him, Jeffrey Siskin, did the opposite, taking his money and his house. Now, after an 8-year legal battle, George has succeeded in getting Siskin disbarred.
I feel great about that. I think he should lose a lot more in his law license, though. But I'll take what I can get for now, and just hope that more bad stuff happens to this guy, and that he's not able to steal from anybody else.
George says he hired Siskin from prison in 2013, trusting him to invest $2 million in tax refunds for his family's future. But instead, investigators say Siskin spent it on himself, joining Mar-a-Lago, buying a Trump Plaza office suite, and remodeling his house.
He spent it like he stole it because he did steal it.
Can you comment, please, Mr. Siskin, on the Florida bars? Back in May, Siskin declined an interview with me, so I caught up with him then in the courthouse where he was appearing in another case. He said he couldn't comment on the allegations, so I asked him directly. Well, did you do it?
No.
The Florida bar had launched an investigation that took years. This week, the Florida Supreme Court ruled that Siskin did take George's money, along with $500,000 from another client. A court referee calls Siskin's explanation transparently false.
I couldn't let him get away with this. I have to do everything I can to, stop this guy. And now, finally, I stopped him a little bit. He lost his license yesterday.
But Siskin is not taking this lying down. He texted me back this afternoon that he is going to start working on a formal objection. He says he has cause to overturn the ruling. One, that the statute of limitations had run out. And two, he alleges the Florida bar, which officially brought the allegations, defrauded the court. We'll keep watching this high-level court battle and let you know if the lawyer succeeds. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.